Good afternoon, and welcome to the end of week market review for Friday, July 18th, 2014. You are going to see that both our US and Canadian markets are rising bullish. Now, the weeks did end up, although they did have a couple of days of negative trading. On Friday, they did end up with positive notes. The Dow Jones is up 0.73%, and the S&P 500 is up 1.03%. All of our commodities are down for the day and the week, with gold down 0.42%, silver down 0.99%, and oil down 0.71%. Right now, we're looking at the economic reports throughout the last week. On July 17th, you're going to notice the jobless claims came in. They were expecting 311,000 filings. In actuality, though, they only had 302, which means that there were fewer jobless claims, which is obviously something that we would have liked to see and did help push the markets upwards. Taking a look at the S&P 500 on the daily chart, you're going to see that it has found some support at the 22 EMA, which means that it's working itself back up again. It isn't at its all-time highs, but the MACD is rising bullish, and with that black line below the blue line. Taking a look at the S&P 500 on the weekly chart, you're going to see that we are still up at very high highs. We're close to our highest highs, but we're not quite there yet. The important thing to take from this chart, though, is that support is down at the 26 and 40 EMA. So although things might look really catastrophic, if you look at a pullback on the daily chart, when you take it from the weekly chart, you're going to see that that type of pullback isn't going to be that bad. Now, taking a look at the TSX on the daily chart here, you're going to see that it's had a positive day and is actually up at its all-time highs. Its MACD is rising bullish and with the black line crossing through the blue line. Looking at the TSX on the weekly chart, you're going to see that it is also at its all-time highs. You're going to see that it's got plenty of room to grow still, with support way down at that 26 and 40 EMA. So if the TSX pulls back, you're going to see similar situations to the S&P 500. Taking a look at our volatility indicator, you're going to see that the other day the indicator did spike up above the 200 EMA after some concerns over a Malaysian airline being shot down, though right now it is pulled back and finding some support at the 50 and 22 EMA. Currently, that puts it to 12.33. If you have any further questions, feel free to send us an email or phone call. All of our contact information is on the screen. So with that said, this has been the end of week market review for Friday, July 18th, 2014. Ciao for now.